Good morning, it's Robert Slayton. My books just came, the official books. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Hopefully they look as good as the fruits. And as we're doing this, the Kindle version goes on sale on the 15th. There will be some sales on that. So be aware if you want a Kindle version, if you want to help out, feel free to go out to Kindle and get it. So let's take a look. So here is the book right there. I think it looks pretty good, frankly. And so if you're a CFO, CEO, president, owner of a company, and you'd like a free copy, look at the comments below and I will give you instructions on how we can look and see whether we can send you a free copy. And if you just want more information, just reach out and contact me. You can go to my website, which is slaytonins.com, or you can just reach out to my author website, which is robertslayton.com. You'll see it there. So thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.